Hello dear customer, this is Christine from QLQ company. Today I would like to share you our QLQ automatic single slider mounting and zipper cutting machine. This machine is our company's pattern machine. And for this machine, the output is about 2,500 pieces per 30 cm per hour. And these machines can cut two lengths. The first one is 7 cm to 90 cm. The second one is 7 cm to 140 cm. And in my hand, I have the zipper sample made from this machine. And this zipper length is 90 cm. Mounting single slider and cutting. And if you want to cut the longer length, you can add a device. And then these machines can cut the zipper from 15 cm to unlimited length. And this machine is only have the one vibrating frame. And normally our customer use these machines to produce zipper for bags, luggage, and bedding and sofas.